welcome back to Arie Moore's Makeup Room, where we learn and grow together. Today I am here with a Juvia's Culture Palette eyeshadow tutorial. I am super excited to present this video to you guys today. Your girl gotta get ready to go to work, so you know what I'm saying. Before we get into the video, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and like this video, guys, and leave some comments down below. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are going to be working today on the eyes using the Juvia's Culture Palette. I've already used this palette a few times, guys, and yeah, I just feel like it has so many colors to choose from, so many looks that I can do with just this one palette alone. And you guys already know I love me some Juvia's, one because of the colors and the pigments of her palettes, guys. So there's just so much to choose from, so we are definitely going to be using this palette several times, guys. But today we're only going to do one look. We're going to do like a blown out purple look. We're gonna use like purples, pinks, browns. We might do like a glitter liner. I don't know, guys. The only way we're gonna know what we're gonna do is if we just jump straight into the video, guys. So let's go on and do that. Let's get straight into the tutorial, and that is going to be a voiceover because your girl gotta focus. All right, see you in the next clip. So we are going to start this look out by outlining that dark purple from the Culture Palette, guys. I am using a small eyeshadow brush, and what I'm doing is creating a fine tip. It's almost like a heart. You know how the end of the hearts kind of join together like a half triangle? That's pretty much what I'm doing. I felt like doing this was going to add a little bit of personality to the look versus just kind of blending it out into like circular motions. You know, do something a little different. So I did it on both eyes, guys. That's the color I used. Now we're going to go into this purple right here, and we're just going to trace over that color. Notice when I do it, I'm not really trying to get rid of any of the purple. I'm just trying to like add to it, outline it, and just build those colors up. I didn't do too much blending for this look for that reason only. It's because I just really wanted the look to just pop, guys. Also, I want to say that I'm very proud of myself because, baby, them eyebrows been slayed to the guys here lately, okay? So now we're going to go into this pink color here, and we're going to go right back over top. The pink really is what, in my opinion, brought the look together because it just really just added that extra pop. It was so much fun, guys. And look at that mole. For some reason, I feel like the moles that's on my head, all around my face, they're just getting bigger and bigger by the day, baby, and they're just starting to be in my way. You know, like how can I get rid of these damn moles? I don't know. My mom gave it to me, so I guess it's here forever. But guys, check out those brows and me blending, guys. It is so cute. I could have left it just like this. Okay, so I did go over all of the shades one last time and then kind of blend everything out together. So this is the look that we have. I did try to create like a very sharp point at the end of my blowout just to kind of give it a different look compared to what I usually do, and I really like it. I felt like doing the triangle shapes with all of the shades really just makes it pop a little bit more. So we're gonna have to go in with some more colors. I'm gonna add brown right here into this crease right there, and then we're gonna kind of cut crease it and just see what we can really create. I'm trying to create something different from my everyday look. So, but not too different, guys. Like, I'm not experimenting too far, but yeah, guys, let's just see what else we can create with these colors, and let's just get on to it and see what happens. You know what I'm saying? So here is that brown shade that I was talking about, and I'm just going to kind of go over and just blow everything out around my nose, bringing it inward towards that color. And then I'm going to kind of like tap the color a little bit at the tip and just blend it all together. But first, I wanted to make sure that it was well blended right on the side of each side of my nose first, because once I went into that color, you know, it's going to be on the brush. So I didn't want that purple and that pink to kind of fall too far over. So now you guys see me just kind of tackling that right there and getting it nice and blended. Now you guys see me doing my cut crease. I am using concealer for today's look. I actually feel like I've been using concealer a lot more. It just seems to be more affordable, and it just makes more sense for some reason. Like, I don't know. But I do want to get a different eyeshadow base here soon, just to kind of try out some different brands and stuff, and just to see, you know, there's brands out here that specialize in like the cut crease, so we might dap into some stuff here soon, but I really don't know. But I did make sure that everything was like nice and smooth and, you know, blended together before going to the next step. So now we are on the very next step, and I am going to be using my NYX eyeliner. It is in the shade black, or color black, I don't know, whatever you want to say. And we're just creating a half wing, guys. We're not taking the wing all the way over, guys. We're just kind of just, you know, a half wing. I don't really know what else to say other than that. You pretty much see what I am doing. And sometimes I'll be struggling, guys. Like, I'll be recording and I'll be like, baby girl, that's the part you were struggling. I remember that moment. But yeah, so we did that and we added some glitter over top of it. Now you guys see me going ahead and I'm just blending out my foundation. You can see that I went over with some pink eye glitter, and I pressed that pink glitter on with some eyelash glue today. Not glitter glue, eyelash glue. And yeah, guys, I'm finally done with the tutorial. This is the final look. You guys got to see me do the eyes, a little bit of my face, guys, and this is the final result. It is super, super cute. It's fresh. The look is bomb. Like, I wasn't even implying it to be this good, but it's something about once you complete the entire look, it's just like, oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, guys. For some reason, I just randomly had this thought that if you guys really want to see like the look close up, do make sure you go and follow my Instagram, Glam with Arie, and my other Instagram, Arie_Moral2. I always post my looks on those pages, so yeah, that way you can get a real good visual, because you know what I'm saying, sometimes the videos just don't do it justice. You just need a little photo. So go and check out those pictures on Instagram and make sure you like those pictures and videos on Instagram. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye, guys.